Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case. The way this works, we present you with a couple of scenarios and test just how well you know the law. And joining me, as always, is my friend, attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD. How are you, Jeff? I'm
doing really well. My family's well. Grandkids are well. Everybody at the office is well. So, we are really blessed. How about yourself?
Well, I can't complain at all. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well. And in these unpredictable times, I'm glad that we're able to connect virtually. So let's get down to business.
Yeah, so it's the COVID-19 case or no case. And so I want everybody to know that we're open for business and we can meet with you virtually, by phone, however you want. So we're there for the community who's really working so hard and so resiliently to get through this. So let's go for the first one. So people are using their bikes a lot more these days. And so you're in a city and a village that allows you to ride your bike on the sidewalk. And as you approach some pedestrians in front of you, you're going to pass them on the left. And as you start to pass them, one of the pedestrians steps in front of your bike and there's a crash between the two of you. You go flying, you end up breaking your arm, and the pedestrian ends up falling and ends up breaking her leg.
Wow.
So, case or no case for you, the bicyclist, against the pedestrian who stepped into your path.
Wow, that is certainly not the way you want to meet a new neighbor, but I'm going to take a guess and say that there's a case.
There's probably not a case on behalf of the bicyclist.
Really?
So and the reason is, if you're on the sidewalk and you're going to pass somebody, a pedestrian, you have to give an audible signal. So if you've got a bell on your bike or just yelling to them, passing on your left, but you have to give them some warning that you're passing them so that the very thing that happened, that they walk in front of your bike, doesn't happen. So you don't have a case, but the pedestrian probably has a case against you for not giving that warning. So it's really important to know, if you're on that sidewalk, to make sure that you let the people know that you're going to pass.
Yeah, start practicing on those hand signals. So do you have another scenario for us?
I do. I have another scenario for you. So I have a nursing home scenario. Your father lives at a nursing home because he has Parkinson's disease. So he needs help getting out of bed, getting out of a chair, walking, all of his activities of daily living. And he needs the assist of two people to help him do that. But some morning he's getting up and they want to get him down to breakfast. But there's only one aide who's available to help transfer him out of bed so he can start walking down to the dining room. Unfortunately, one aide wasn't enough and your father falls and he ends up breaking his hip. He's able to have surgery, but subsequent to the surgery, he develops swallowing problems. And due to the swallowing problems, he develops aspiration pneumonia, and he ends up passing away 2 weeks after the fall because of the aspiration pneumonia. So case or no case against the nursing home in this scenario.
Wow, those are a lot of events back to back due to that fall. So I'm going to say there's a case.
There probably is a case. So there's a little known complication for after a surgery for a hip fracture, is that you can develop swallowing problems, and the swallowing problems allow the liquid or the food go in the lungs and cause the aspiration pneumonia. So there's probably a case in that scenario.
All right. Well, thank you so much. And if you want to find out if you have a case or no case, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.